So hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the black pack of Pokemon cards. So as you can see, the back and the both pictures are same. So let's take out the cards for a moment. Wait a second. And here are all the cards. None are stuck, thank God. And so here's the back of the cards. So let's start. So I hope they're pretty good. So we have Urshifu with an HP of 10,220. So here you can see closer. Next we have is Samurott with an HP of 10,270. Next we have Oranguru, which has an HP of 10,210. Then after that we have Hexadron. How cute is it? They're like bunch of mini drones. And its HP is 10,160. We're getting good cards. Better than the silver pack video. Next we have Ampolon with an HP of 10,210. Okay, I like the cards. Next we have Keldeo. It looks like a mini unicorn with an HP of 10,210. It's a water Pokemon and super good. We can tell that by its tail, it's blue. So far we're getting super funny cards. Next we have Lesorian, cool, which we have 10,320. My god, we're getting better and better cards. Next we have then Lucario with an HP of 10,210. We are getting super good cards. We have Dialga with 10,280. So far we had that cute thing. Is my favorite, the unicorn thing. Then we have Zapdos with an HP of 10,200. Yeah, it's 10,200. And next we have is Hisiduio. Can you please tell me the pronunciation in the comments? So here you can see. And next we have is Slaking. So may I tell you one thing, that its ability is of kind of lazy, because of if you have 2 to 4 6 cards left, he can't attack if you have it. That's why he's kind of lazy. Then we have Moltres with an HP of 10,220. And after that we have a Charizard. I really wanted this. So its HP is 10,220 and I really wanted this. This is my favorite card, almost. And then we have Mewtwo, another favorite, and its 10,000 HP is 10,280. So for my favorite Charizard. And next we have Reshiram, and its HP is 10,220. As you can see, better in a better way. And next we have is Copperajah. So here you can see properly, and its HP is 10,220. We're getting lots of 10,220s. Next we have Dragonite. I already have this card, but in a different style. No, it's not a black card. And its HP is 10,280. So cool. We're getting good cards, luckily. Rayquaza, my god, it's super like a rainbowish, and its HP is 10,320. So cool. I literally love that card's art. Next we have Kyurem with an HP of 10,220. And its back is pretty good. It even has like one normal black, and it even has a mirror. It has a yellow mirror. Arceus, cool. We got Arceus with an HP of 10,280. Some kids say in my class that I think that Arceus is the god of Pokemon. Seriously, that's super cool. Next we have Antilia. No, super cute. Comment down below if you think it's cute. Next we have, and it's HP 10,320. So far we're getting good cards, and I think that's my best card. Next we have Conkeldurr. And it's super cool. And I use this card for which card is stronger, my strongest card trend. Next and its HP is 10,230. Okay, cool. That was the most uncommon HP. Next we have Delmis. Cool. He looks super beautiful. Even if he's a girl or boy, he's still super beautiful. And his HP is 10,220. But and still, this dude is a leaf Pokemon. But by the blueness, I say that it should have been a water Pokemon. To understand this, you should better see that. What do we call the Pokemon anime? I'm just starting it today. And here we have Skizzer. Oh, he looks like a Paw Patrol robot. Comment down below if you've seen Paw Patrol. Its HP is 10,320. My god. We're getting good cards, luckily. Thank god it's better than it. Next we have Urshifu, which has an HP of 10,330. Pretty cool, pretty good. And we have another Mewtwo, but thank god it's not a duplicate. I think we don't get duplicates in these packs, and its HP is 10,220. Good. We're getting super good. Next we have Articuno. Oh my god, what a weird name. Is he Spanish? Because of his name is Articuno. And his HP is 10,210. Cool. I hope this video gets more than 1,000 likes, which is up to impossible because of the card's HPs. Next we have Garchomp. What over the world? He looks like he's a dinosaur which got extended like 67 million years ago. 167 because 166 years ago, normal dinosaurs. But this guy got like 1 million years after extinct. What in the world? And his HP is 10,200, not that uncommon. And then we have Zygrade. Please tell me the pronunciation of these. Like I said in the silver pack video, its HP is 10,180, which is for like 20 to 30 points down. Next we have Raichu. My god, this dude is like an evolution of Pikachu, and its HP is 10,210. And as you can see here, it got evolved from Pikachu. Next we have Wishiwashi. It looks like an eyeball, and its HP is 10,130. Seriously? And it looks super beautiful. It looks like a very big eyeball. It's like I just said 10 seconds ago, I think. And now we have Lucario, another evolution of Lucario, and it has an HP of 10,210. And it looks super beautiful because I love the color blue. And I can say every Pokemon which is blue, super duper beautiful. It's a funny joke. Next we have Machamp with an HP of 10,220. Cool. It was also kind of blue. And next we have Zorukak. It's so beautiful, my god. I love this card. And next we have 10, and its HP is 10,210. Super good. Even it has a less HP, I still like it because of its like whitish reddish. Next we have Dialga with an HP of 10,220. Super cool. And we have like kind of cards left. Next we have Pikachu VMAX. I think we also got this card in the silver pack. Yes, we got it. And it has an HP of 10,310. Next we have it has Porygon Z with HP of 10,240. It has a tie with one of our other cards. I'm not sure of that. And here you can see close. And then we have Palika with an HP of 10,280. Cool. What's wrong with this card? It got a little bit damaged, but I don't care for that. I just care of the rarity. And this was super beautiful. See the artifact of it. And it's Delmeezy. So comment down below if you like this card, including I also like it. And it has an HP of 10,330. My god. They are so beautiful. Next we have Tyranitar. So please can you tell me the communication of this? And also next day is a thing of like it has an HP of 10,230. It looks like a dinosaur which was like extended like 10 million years ago. He still looks like he's so unreal. And again, seriously, another damage that also in Mewtwo, and it has an HP of 10,220. Seriously, I wished I got a golden card. Charizard, another Charizard, lovely, and we have an HP of 10,220. I love this card. And next, I think this has more cards in the silver pack because of I think the video is being longer than that one, so I think it has more. Next we have Surf HD. What in the world? What kind of name is that? And it has a HP of 10,210. Cool. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around like 8 cards are left, which is good. Next we have like Aerodactyl, which has an HP of 10,210. Cool, goody. Next we have Mew, pretty cool, and it has an HP of 10,180. Oh, super cute. We have Tyranitar, but it looks even taller than the last one. 10,000, and it has an HP of 10,230. Oh, I love this card, and I had like a golden card of this. I got in a very lucky pack, which has an HP of 10,210. Okay, we are in the top 4. Okay, so next we have Mavel, pretty cutie. What a cutie is it? This one is a cutie, not that one. That one is like monster, and the HP of it is 10,200. And next we have Victini with an HP of 10,190. Cool, cool, cool. We're getting good cards. And we are officially in the top 2 cards. I would love to reveal them both at the same time. So next we have Grimmsnarl with an HP of 10,330. And let's take the last card. Zacian. It looks like a Friday Nights and Freddy card. And it has an HP of 10,220. So these are all the cards which were in the pack. So bye guys, and I hope you like the video so we can make another pack of the pack. So bye guys.